So we're going to embark upon the simple task of taking an oral digital temperature now. I'll be using myself as the guide, or as the example rather, and I'll be guiding you on how to do as such. First of all, if you haven't done so prior to your own video shoot at home, down your thermometer with rubbing alcohol just to make sure it's nice and sterile. I just turned it on and off real quick, 1 and 2, to make sure I got a reaction, to make sure the battery is solid and ready to go. This is a thermometer cover, and it's just a way of covering the probe. Looks just like a wee piece of plastic baggie or something. Pretty simple. It's sized for the probe, for the thermometer. It's simple, I swear. And guide it in and peel the backing off the paper. Bam. And you've got a thermometer that's now fairly safe, at least provides sort of a barrier in between your mouth and the thermometer and vice versa, helps to eliminate infection in that respect. If you were using an ear thermometer, which is another digital thermometer choice, they have removable ear covers, sort of like what the doctor would use with an otoscope looking in your ear. And that's another way of taking a temperature, and that's another way of keeping a temperature, taking sanitary. So we turn on the thermometer, and there's a little bit of pre-calibration, and then it should read L with a degree mark and a Fahrenheit mark. Some thermometers you can select between Fahrenheit and Celsius, and that's fine, just so long as you're comfortable with either of those temperature scales. And it says L, and I'm actually going to reset it for accuracy, and I'm going to put it under my tongue until it beeps.